how to be twice as smart. Focus is something that every one of us does. Most of us don't do as well as we could. We spend a third of our lives focusing at work. How well we do depends on it, yet we neglect it. Knowing that we focused is good, but it's not enough. We need to begin to understand how our mind can work better. Nobody is even thinking of using the most powerful part of our mind, our subconscious. With Foci, we want to change that. Foci is a biometric wearable that tracks your subconscious and helps you tune into deep focus. Clipped to your waist, the biometry captures your cognitive states as a stream of coloured orbs, inspired by Pixar's Inside Out, to help you visualize your mind and understand yourself better. This biometrics powers the AI Mind Coach, the closest thing to a real coach. It picks out mistakes you made and provides real-time advice to optimize your mental performance. You will not only know exactly when you lose focus, but also access techniques with easy-to-follow steps to make focus your second nature. We want Foci to help you get into what psychologists call flow, a state of deep focus where your subconscious empowers you to process information better.
Foci is based on 2 decades of neurospiritual research which establish how breathing patterns mirror subconscious states. We have built a small device that you can clip to the waist to track your breathing while you work. With machine learning, Foci learns your breathing characteristics and derive personal insight in real time to boost your focus.
Over the last few months, we worked with Cambridge Enterprise on the project. We alpha tested with student testers from Cambridge University. The results are very promising. Now we want to share this powerful technology with everyone. We want the Kickstarter community to help us shape what we are building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people better understand themselves and tap into their potential.
After drinking Rich Recovery, you'll be focused, clear-headed, and ready for a productive workday. But Rich Recovery isn't just for dominating daily tasks in the office. This optimal combination of ingredients is great for an active lifestyle. It gives you that replenishing boost your body needs after a rigorous workout. Side effects may include clear mind, increased cognitive function, increased productivity, general sense of well-being, more energy with no crash, bigger paycheck, more respect from your colleagues and friends, and hydration. One bottle of Rich Recovery has the same amount of coenzyme Q10 as 25 avocados, which is great for the heart and the skin. And as much vitamin C as 50 large strawberries. What else does it have? Bromelain, alpha-GPC, tyrosine, L-glutathione, L-theanine, and other natural delights. Rich Recovery sold out of its initial round of formula recently, and requests for another batch have been piling up. You asked and we listened, but we need your help in getting orders out. Your support in this campaign will allow us to start our first major production run, so that we can fulfill all of the orders coming in. Rich Recovery. Optimize your body and brain.
This is amazing. I'm on my sofa, I've burnt 1,000 calories watching a movie.
Let's meet the man who's promised us we can fight the fat while we watch TV. It's the inventor of the bionic gym, Dr. Louis Crowe. Hello.
I'm Louis Crowe, medical doctor, a researcher and an inventor. I started this journey almost 20 years ago. I had a technology I knew could help an awful lot of people, millions of people if properly applied. And over these years I've tried to get this out with companies, but for one reason or another it would never come to fruition. Until now, with the backing of the Indiegogo community. I'm here with Dr. Hans-Olaf Piper.
I'm a family doctor in Germany.
And Dr. Piper is going to put on Bionic Gym for the very first time. So he's at over 50 minutes now, and his heart rate is 150 beats per minute.
You're saying your kit will give you a full workout just with the EMS?
Yes.
This does sound a little too good to be true. There's only one thing for it, pants on for me. It's definitely working. My muscles are doing some work.
After shivering my pants off for only 17 minutes, it's amazing how tired I am. But will these high-tech hot pants produce convincing results?
We still burnt 100 calories.
I'm actually pretty impressed with that result.
We want to see this product out there. Thank you for backing.
Welcome to Rome, the magical city where something great is going to born. This something is V, the first foldable lunchbox that fits into a pocket. But wait a moment, how was everything born? Enrica, a business student, often has salad for her lunch. But it's always difficult to fit a hard lunchbox into her bag. Ricardo is an aerospace engineer who usually brings lunch from home. He always has to use an uncomfortable plastic bag to bring his lunchbox back home. So guys, what is your dream lunchbox?
Recyclable.
Reusable.
Microwavable.
Dishwasher safe.
BPA free.
Leak proof.
Hermetic.
What if you could fold your lunchbox into your pocket? We are glad to present V, the thinnest lunchbox in the world. V is totally leak-proof, and thanks to its closing system, it can be filled with every kind of food. V is made out of polypropylene, an entirely atoxic and food-certified material. When you buy V, you also get a foldable fork made through origami system. Both design and production are 100% Italian. For this reason, V is handy and elegant at the same time. We decided to make this choice a green choice, as respecting the environment is our priority. Indeed, V is 100% recyclable, BPA-free, and reusable. The material composing V is very easy to wash, as it is dishwasher safe. In fact, the sachet inside V can be easily removed, washed, and reinserted. Hence, V Lunchbox is ready to be used every day, again and again.
As a chiropractor and athlete, I help countless people as they attempt to improve their lifestyle and well-being. Unfortunately, chiropractic alone sometimes isn't enough. With our hectic lifestyles, we need to find other ways to maintain our health. What if I told you there's a home therapy program, one that patients can use safely at home to strengthen their muscles and relieve pain? Most of you have heard of EMS technology, which uses electrical pulses to improve physical fitness, strengthening and toning muscles, or TENS technology, which relieves pain. Anyone that wants to tone their muscles and relieve pain would need to purchase several units to work on these areas simultaneously. That's why we created ElectroFit. ElectroFit is the all-in-one smart device that uses EMS and TENS-based technology to transmit microelectrical pulses through specific areas of the body. By exercising muscles while keeping nerves active, ElectroFit is able to deliver the kind of full-body results that other units on the market are too limited to achieve. ElectroFit is for anyone who cares about living an active and healthy lifestyle. The ElectroFit comes with an app, which connects via Bluetooth to the controller and accessories. Through the app, users can adjust the workout intensity and the type of workout. The ElectroFit controller connects to several attachments. The basic set comes with 2 electropads, which can be used anywhere on the body. This can be used at home or during a workout to tone muscles, increase strength, and recover faster. The ElectroFit controller also works with the Electro Abs attachment, which can tone your six-pack or strengthen the thigh while you relax. The dual electro attachment helps to tone and strengthen the glutes, arms, and lower back. ElectroFit can be used for years as an effective fitness and pain relief aid, and it has no known side effects. The ElectroFit controller is conveniently compact at only 2 inches wide. Every unit comes with an integrated rechargeable lithium battery, a micro USB charging port, and medical-grade adhesive electro gel pads. Whether you're dealing with excess weight or strained muscles, this is the solution you've been looking for. ElectroFit is a great device for athletes, helping to build up maximum strength and increase power. In fact, ElectroFit may double the effectiveness of a gym workout. Now you can warm up like a pro, train like a pro, recover like a pro, and be a pro. With over 12 years of manufacturing FDA-approved EMS and TENS devices, our team is fully equipped to take ElectroFit from vision to reality. And by backing us on Indiegogo, you'll become an important part of our founding family. We have the team, the product, the vision, and the talent to execute this project. And all we need is your support. No more excuses. Now is the time to achieve your health and fitness goals with ElectroFit.